Thanks for joining us again. Good morning and welcome to the Thursday edition of TVC Breakfast, showing, of course, on TVC News. I am Kemi Fola Adeyemo with Ibrahim Shita.
Good morning,
to you. And how are you?
I'm good. And how are you too?
Good to see you. I'm fine.
Yeah,
you
said you had to struggle with your sleep last night.
I did. I did. Other than that, okay, I'm fine. And a good day to be alive.
Absolutely.
All right. So we've been following developments in Oyo State since the story broke on Tuesday night regarding the explosion that rocked several parts of Oyo State, the state capital, specifically Ibadan. And now Governor Makinde says the impact of that explosion reached as far as 25 kilometers away. He was speaking at a media briefing with security and emergency agencies in Ibadan. The governor says those involved in the incident, directly or indirectly, will be punished. While rescue operations continues at the epicenter of the blast. In the meantime, TVC News, Olaide Oyewole has more.
Chaos and panic gripped the entire neighborhood of Bodija and its surroundings in the late hours of Tuesday as an explosion said to have emanated from a private residence plunged the entire community into turmoil. It's the day after the incident and rescue operations have not stopped, with state and federal agencies working to save trapped victims under the rubble. The tales and devastation are evident as residents and families are still in awe of the destruction, watching their homes reduced to rubble and little or nothing left of their belongings.
The house is housing foreigners, either Gambians or Senegalese, and they engage in mining activities. So definitely they had explosives in the building.
Among the people that are resident here, they are tenants. So they are the one that is illegal miner and they are storing the explosive illegally.
Shortly after Governor Seyi Makinde's visit to the scene, he held a briefing alongside his emergency medical team, assuring residents that perpetrators of such acts would not go unpunished.
The further update we can provide at this time is that we have information regarding the company that was using that residence to store explosives. Rest assured that all that were involved directly and indirectly in bringing this tragedy upon us will be brought to book.
The Chief Medical Director of the University Teaching Hospital Ibadan, on his part, assured that medical attention for the victims has been intensified to avert additional fatalities.
The health workers came, and of course we've also activated our trauma response system, and all our staff have been helping to ensure that these victims of the victims of this explosion have the best of care.
Undoubtedly, the devastating effect of the disaster have left unending memories in the heart of those who were affected. But the expectation is that the government put in place appropriate measures that will prevent such occurrence from happening again in future. Olaide Oyewole, TVC News, Ibadan.